Hey friends, I'm going to be making some homemade fried rice. I'm excited. First and foremost, you have to wash your hands. Oh yeah, I made some rice earlier in the Instant Pot, so that's all done. I have some red peppers that I'm gonna put in there. And then I have some mushrooms, some frozen mushrooms, and some green beans that I'm also going to add into it. And then, of course, you can't forget the eggs, so I'm going to scramble those up. I'm doing 2 eggs because I think that'll probably be good. So just crack your egg. Make sure not to get any shells in there. So I'm gonna take these yolks and whisk these bad babies up. Just usually use a fork. Alright, now that that's done, you just set that to the side. First things first, you want to get yourself a large pan, skillet I guess. And then you just turn that bad baby up. And then I use sesame oil to make sure it doesn't stick and just to give it the nice, you know, sesame flavor, I guess. Bring it around town. You want to make sure it fills the bottom of the pan. Alright, now that the pan has gotten a little hot, I'm just going to take the rice I cooked, and then just plop it in the pan. And then take a wooden spoon, just, you know, spread it around the pan. And you want to make sure the oil like coats the rice just right. I would say fried rice is probably one of my specialties if I were to have one. Okay, so just let it simmer a little bit. You can really hear that sizzle. Once you hear it start popping, you know, turn it down to like medium heat. Ooh, getting cooked. I'm gonna take the red peppers, put it in there, and then I'm gonna take the rest. Yeah, I guess I'll put the rest of these mushrooms in there, frozen. And then I'll put the rest of, or maybe not the rest, I'll just put some green beans in. I don't really know measurements, but I usually just wing it most of the time. There you go, that's pretty good. And then I'm just going to add a little more oil. Probably not the healthiest option, but it's going to be good. Just mix it around. Let the veggies cook a little bit. It smells really good. One day, someone really needs to make like a camera where you can smell it. I feel like that's in the making. It's coming up soon. They're gonna have that. But I wish you guys could smell it. It smells really good. Looks really good too. Just, you know, mix all of the ingredients together. And then once I see that the veggies start to, I guess, no longer have the, since these were frozen, when they no longer have that frozen texture look to it, I add in a little bit of soy sauce. This is low sodium, so that's good. A little bit of soy sauce. Maybe that's a little more than a little, but it's gonna be good. I'm telling you. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna add a little bit, like I said, I don't really know measurements. I usually just guesstimate. I just added a little bit of garlic powder, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of onion powder as well. A little more than a little, but it's gonna be good. I can promise you. Now that looks that the simmer has gone down a little bit, I'm gonna take those eggs I whisked earlier and just put it into the skillet now. Put it on a low heat. Just make sure the eggs, you know, don't overly cook, but you want to get it all mixed in there. And I'm going to add a little more soy sauce to it. So then when you don't hear the simmer anymore, I usually turn up a little bit. Turn the turn the volume up. No, you turn the heat up. I'm still, just drop some. I'll clean that up later. That's the fun part of cooking, right? The cleaning up. But yeah, so you don't want it to overcook. But this looks pretty good so far. I think we're done. I'm just gonna turn the gas off and let it sit for a little bit. And there we go. You have some veggie fried rice.